Disclaimer. This is just what I found that works for me. It might not work for you. I do character modeling, some importing, programming, blockout UI, some level design, etc. But how do I organize my time properly? A checklist app such as Milanote, Trello, or ClickUp. Oh, and those are available for the price of free. A checklist app will also mean that you stay on task and don't procrastinate and watch too many devlogs. Good organization will make you more productive. Always make sure you get a task done every day. Our brain will make game dev seem much better if we have a clear objective. The simple reason is that work will seem much less intimidating. A map generation system could be broken down into the exact map pieces, the areas you don't want to spawn, the areas that have boundaries, etc. Also, don't overscope. Don't try and make your dream game your first game. Or if you're really going to, cut the non-essential features so you only have the MVP. My next tip is that you do something that's easy and satisfying for your game, such as making a rifle or making a new map using your procedural generation code. When I want to get quick but satisfying progress done, I work on a new map, for example. Another good tip that I have found to stay productive is that I work and take a break and then I work. Because in between breaks I can clear my head and then I'll come back much more efficient and I'll make much less mistakes. When you make a game, choose a genre that you understand. If you choose something that you don't understand, you won't understand what the players want. If you play shooter games, for example, and try and make a platformer, you're most likely going to implement shooter elements in them, and that's not appealing for platformer gamers. Video games are products to do it once, so you'll need to know yourself what they want. I've also found another piece of advice that's really helpful. Research, plan, then implement. You will not believe how much time this pattern saves me. If I want to make a saving system that saves every 60 seconds, I can first research how to check every 60 seconds and save an item. I can then plan and make a timer function base class that calls the save function every 60 seconds. Then I can implement it. But that's all for this video. If you thought this video was good, like and subscribe to catch the next one in this series.